Hey everybody, welcome back to Plan All the Things. Jody here. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic Happy Planner for the week of October 19th through the 25th. And as you can see, I'm going to start laying out my washi tape here. This week's theme, I was kind of inspired by color. Coming off last week's black and gold, I wanted to get back to some good old-fashioned color. These stickers, I think, came out of the one of the color story books. I really like the Happy Planner color story books. They kind of give you a variety, but some guardrails at the same time. Down there in the lower right-hand corner, I just put my big box sticker. That's where I like to make notes for the weekend. Here, I don't know, do you guys do this? Sometimes I find the stickers are easier to get off the page if I strip off the kind of stickery middle parts. Now I'm laying down my big quote sticker on the left side. This one says, "Just a girl who decided to go for it." Oh, I like that. Now I'm going to go through and look for some of my foundational kind of decorative stickers, decorative box stickers. I think that this color story kit gave me a large variety to choose from. Got polka dots, stripes, different patterns, and it's going to lend itself well to layering. I am not an hourly planner. I typically, when I'm using these vertical spreads, take one section and kind of make that my task area. I'll list out the 3, 4, or maybe 5 top priorities for the day. Here I'm laying out some more box stickers. And I want to say one thing too about positivity. You know, I am not big into toxic positivity. I think that is definitely a thing. But I think that you can have a challenging day or a hard day and still be thankful, still be somewhat optimistic, still have hope. I am an eternal optimist. I've always, whenever I faced challenges, growing up, I don't know, I've leaned into finding how I can make things work in the moment. And sometimes you just got to get through, right? To these task areas, sometimes I like to add headers just for more decorative element. Sorry there, I kind of cut off out of frame. I'm adding a checklist to Tuesday. And I'm going to add another one to Wednesday. Of course, trying to get it straight. I just thought, let's stick with checklists. Keep it easy. Adding one for Thursday. And then one down here for Friday. And then one here for Saturday. Over the kind of top section on the left, I put a sticker, "Make yourself proud." And now I'm just adding some more decorative stickers. And then this one says, "By doing what you love, you inspire and awaken the hearts of others." And that's certainly what I try to do with these spreads. I enjoy watching them, so I'm like, you know what? Jody, you should, make videos about yours. So that's what I'm doing. Just want a little pop of yellow here. Adding a Saturday for the weekend. Thought there was a little bit too much of white space right there. So adding a quote sticker. I don't mind covering up the dates sometimes. I know what days they are, so I'm more interested in making a fun layout. It's kind of my bigger priority for these planner spreads. So I think that's going to about do it for this spread. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to be notified of more content I post, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Bye for now.